In this basic tutorial, I will share with you how you can remove text from face like this. Let's start it. It is very easy to remove writing from face. But don't be hurry because we can lose detail or lose natural face. We need to remove it carefully. At first, make a copy by drag this on the plus icon. You can also use Ctrl plus J to copy. So if we make a mistake, we can fix it using main layer. Zoom in a little bit so we can see clearly. Choose Spot Healing Brush tool. The Spot Healing Brush tool in Adobe Photoshop removes unwanted spot or small object from your image. I suggest you to selecting the Spot Healing Brush tool, draw the same text behind it. In my case, I got much better result. Use square bracket to resize the brush. Keep doing this until it finished. We done it. Look at here. We lose some detail. I will use clone stamp tool to get back the detail. Make sure your settings are okay. Use square bracket to resize the brush. Hold Alt and right click on the mouse. It will take a sample from your face. So select the area that match with the problem area. Play with it so you can know more. Do the same process here. Use the clone stamp tool to get back losing detail. We can also remove the black spot from here. In this case, I suggest you to use clone stamp tool. Hold Alt and start painting. This is for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.